So we're going to go through this question called Bajan Spices, and we're going to see what happens and how we complete our reimbursements. All right, so let's get started. Bajan Spices. It says that they operate a float of $200 for its petty cash monthly transactions. The float is normally reimbursed by the head cashier at the end of each month, but this was not done in July 2024. So one of the first things that you need to pick up is when the reimbursement is happening. So in this case, it happens usually at the end of each. The first required is asking us to record the initial reimbursement on August 1st, 2024, and record all transactions that occurred during the month. So that's the first thing we have to do. So we have to make sure that we reimburse the petty cash flow at your $125. Note that, remember, the float is $200, so which means that there was a balance that came forward into August, and that balance would be 200 minus 125. So 200 minus 125, which is the reimbursement amount. So the balance that came forward was $75. Okay, so this is on August 1st. And we would type the balance brought down from the prior month. Okay, not all of this over there. Okay, so we recorded, this is the balance brought down, as I said. So now we can go ahead and record the what the head cashier reimbursed the petty cashier with. That is $125. So the sum of the two should add up to the $200. This is where you use the folio to show that money was on the other end, came out of the cash book to reimburse your petty cash book. Okay, always make sure you enter your dates, August 1st. And in this case, instead, this is not a balance brought down, this is a reimbursement. Okay, so maybe that's what we type here, reimbursement. And we have just completed recording our initial reimbursement, and that's what the question said. Record